All right, so just a few quick things that we have going on here that I wanted to discuss with you. First, if you haven't seen yet, we did launch the end of year promotion, special bonus offers for the blueprint at Radioactive Trading, the married put approach with the 12 different income methods. You can check out all the details at radioactivetrading.com/EOY. If you pick up the blueprint before December 31st at midnight, you'll get the 8 special bonuses, 2 discounted months to the Fusion services, the free Foundations of Radioactive Trading Mastery video, an additional video, the 4 Insider Secrets of Trading, or the FIST video, a free month of Power Options, and there's several other free bonuses that you get if you do pick up the blueprint before December 31st at midnight. Don't worry, you'll see more information about that, and we'll have other webinars related to that as well. Holiday hours, all right, coming up in the next 2 weeks. The market is closed on Friday, December 24th. Most of you probably figured that out, knew that already when you were looking at your expirations if you're rolling today, and saw that the expiration was on Thursday, December 23rd, not the 24th. Because Christmas falls on a Saturday, they're giving us the whole day off. Usually it's only a half day, but they're giving us the full day off on the 24th this year. So with that in mind, since most of you might be traveling or doing something on the 24th, getting ready for Christmas or getting ready for that holiday weekend, maybe you're taking a whole holiday break the following week, instead of doing our webinar on Thursday, the 23rd on expiration, we're going to do it Wednesday, the 22nd, again at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, you may not want to stay around on the 23rd after expiration and hang out before the day off on the 24th in that case. Then the following week, New Year's Eve, of course, is on Friday, the 31st. That is an expiration day. However, do we want to be online on New Year's Eve till 6 p.m. talking about options? Probably not. So we're going to go ahead and say, hey, after you close everything out on Friday, just go ahead, go enjoy your New Year's Eve, however you celebrate, I should say. We're going to do our regular week open forum Q&A session on Thursday, the 30th, again at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time as well. And of course, other webinars and recordings are going to be shared during these last 2 weeks. Some fun stuff we like to put together in addition to more information about the Blueprint Special and the radioactive trading techniques. Lastly, in the past few days, we have seen a little change to some of the formatting. I'm not sure if it came through based on the, if it came through based from the exchanges or based from our provider. But there was sort of a glitch where on every third Friday, for some indexes, there's an AM and PM settlement. So for today, for example, the regularly scheduled SPX options were AM expiry, but those labeled SPXW actually settled PM. They didn't technically expire till 4 p.m., whereas the regular SPX options that are standard monthly options were AM settlement. We needed to make a change to add clarity to the route change, because what was sort of happening is in the searches, if you were looking on Wednesday for the 2-day out Friday series, SPX, RUT, I think SOX and XSP, I think BRKB was in there too. What was happening is that you might see the premium for selling a PM settled option on SPX when buying an AM one, which would show an inflated net credit or on an iron condor position, which wasn't accurate because your long option would expire in the AM and technically you'd have a naked put or a naked call going through until 4 p.m. Eastern Time. So we made these changes. Now when you look on the chain on a third Friday, you might see the same strike prices, 46.60 for example here, 2 46.60s, one marked SPXW and one marked SPX. Or, going further down, the 46.75s, 46.70s, one marked SPXW, so that it goes through the database better and the searches are correct. However, what this might have done, if you were tracking any positions for SPX, RUT, any of those ones that had AM and PM settlement, where the regular monthly was an AM settlement, the PM settlement for a weekly that you could have traded on that as well, that they kept at PM settlement, your portfolio positions might have gotten a little wonky. You might not have seen any data tracking. If you do come across that, just send us an email over the weekend and we'll get that corrected for you, because we had to adjust some of the root symbology in the background and your option might not be recognizing the root change right away. We will absolutely take care of that though, however.